Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on over here today. What we got here is an iBuyPower. It's a computer that was here before, had no video. Power it up and no image. We tested the video card. Video card was bad. Double checked it on another computer. Double checked another video card here to confirm it. And yeah, we had a bad video card. So the customer sent it to MSI for replacement. This iBuyPower was over the year old, so it didn't have the factory warranty on with iBuyPower. But keep in mind that these video cards could have 2-3 years. I'm not sure on this one what it was, but I think up to 3 years, so long as it's not physical damage or water, or something like that in the video card. Everything looked good. There was no signs of physical liquid damage or anything like that. So he sent it out. It took about a little bit, maybe over a month, and they sent them a replacement. Customer says it was pretty smooth, and I've seen this a couple times. I've had customers replace motherboards, and I believe I had another customer with a video card too. So keep that in mind. Even if you don't have the receipt, sometimes they'll go by the manufacturer date, and like in this case, you can save yourself a ton of money. This card here had a 2070, and they replaced it. I don't know if you could see it. He had a 2070, and they replaced it with a 3070 Ti. Pretty sweet. So he got a little upgrade out of the deal. Granted, computer was down for us, but she's up. And with this, she's up and running. And we got nice 3 fans up front. And that's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.